Hello, everybody. I'm Anita, and today we're going to concentrate on love is the key. Love is the key to everything. Everything you want to manifest, everything you want to do in your life, everything relies on love. Love in your heart, and love and passion for what you're wanting to manifest. If you come from a place of divine love and everything and put your passion into what you're doing, you will manifest much quicker and easier. All this week we've been kind of concentrating on love, different kinds of love, agape love, human love, all different kinds of love that we have for our kittens, our family, our divine love, and everything, combining all those and making sure that you're coming from a place of love in your heart for what you want to manifest or make happen in your life goes farther than just for yourself, just a me attitude or what can I get from it. You want to spread out and make available to other people some value in their lives. And you can do that. You can do that really easily by coming from a place of love in your heart. And today being Valentine's Day and everything, that's what we're concentrating on today. I know most of you are busy with your loved ones and everything, but some of us are single. So we can choose to love those around us, and don't forget self-love. Doing something for yourself too. It's not always about, the lovey-dovey stuff that we do with our partners and stuff. Sometimes you need to reach inside and just love yourself and be good to yourself. When you fill up your own cup, then you have love, you have more to give and spill over into other people's lives. So with that being said, don't forget about yourself. Don't forget to, especially if you're single, you might be feeling down today. Don't feel down. Go buy some of that chocolate that's on sale. Go buy yourself a card or make yourself something. Get your special coffee. Do something that says, I love myself. Do it for yourself. We don't have to. It's nice to have a partner. I know that. But if you find yourself in a situation where you don't, just remember that you're important too. And go ahead and give yourself some love. Be the love that you want to receive in the world. And you will manifest it much quicker. So, I love you all. God bless you all. And I'll talk to you soon. I know this is short. I apologize. But just go about your day and have as much fun as you can. And don't forget to give yourself some love too. Love y'all. Bye for now.